Guys, ang atong topic karon kay board feet lang gihapon. Pero karon, kuha na to og board feet ang prostom cone volume. So ang measurement sa prostom cone volume is top radius is 12 inches and the bottom radius is 25 inches. Then ang height is 52 inches. So atong balikan ang formula sa board feet. Board feet equals board feet equals thickness measured by inch times width measured by inch times length measured by feet over 12. So ang nagkadaiyang formula sa crustum cone volume equals 1/3 pi open bracket bottom squared plus top squared plus bottom times top, then open, then close bracket, height. So, napay isa. Prostom cone volume is pi, open bracket, bottom squared, top squared, bottom times top, then close bracket, then height, then over 3. So, the last one. Prostom cone volume is pi divided by 3, open bracket, bottom squared, plus top squared, plus bottom times top, then close bracket, then height. So, kini nga formula atong gamiton mga idol. So, guys, dara ang atong formula sa board feet. Board feet equals pi divided by 3, open bracket, bottom squared, plus top squared, plus bottom times top, then close bracket, then height, then over 12. So, measurement again. Bottom radius is 25 inches. Then the top radius is 12 inches. Then the height is 52 inches. Convert into feet is 4.33 feet, no? Mag-convert that into feet kay mo gamit ta og over 12. Again, height is 52 inches. Convert to feet, 4.33 feet. So, atong gamitan og proper equation of math operation. So, dara ang atong calculation. So, ato lang putol-putulon. So, here we go. Okay. Board feet equals pi divided by 3, open bracket, bottom squared, plus top squared, plus bottom times top, then close bracket, then height over 12. So, board feet is 3.1416 divided by 3, open bracket, open parenthesis, 25 inches, close bracket, then squared. Then plus, open bracket, 12 inches, then close parenthesis, again, plus, open parenthesis, plus 12 inches, then close parenthesis, then squared. Then plus, open parenthesis, 25 inches, times 12 inches, then close parenthesis. Then close bracket, 4.33 feet over 12. So, simplify. Board feet is 1.0472. Open bracket, 625 square inch plus 144 square inch plus 300 square inch, then close bracket, then 4.33 feet over 12. So, simplify. 1.0472 times 1,069 square inch plus times 4.33 feet over 12. Again, board feet. 1.0472 times 1,069 square inch times 4.33 feet over 12. So, dara. board feet equals 4,847.24794 over 12. So board feet is 403.937328 board feet, no? Board feet is 403.937328 board feet, no? So sa ato pa, ang volume ani nga prostom kon volume in terms of board feet is 403.937828 board feet. So, mao lang to guys. Og daghang salamat.